You're not bad with money. You've been put on a treadmill you can't see. And the faster you run, the more someone else gets paid. It has a name, the Hedonic Treadmill. And it's the real reason a raise never actually makes you feel richer. Here's the proof. Two versions of the same person, one modest income, one earning twice as much. Bigger home, nicer car, better everything. And they both lie awake at night doing the exact same math. So, three things. Why your raise disappears, who quietly profits when it does, and the one move that steps you off. Start with the disappearance. The month your income goes up, you don't decide to spend more. It just happens. Slightly nicer place. Eating out a little more. The upgrade you told yourself you had earned. Every choice feels so small and completely reasonable. That is the trap. Your spending rises to swallow whatever you make. Psychologists named this decades ago. The joy of the upgrade fades in weeks. The cost stays forever. Your normal quietly resets higher. So you need the next raise just to feel okay again. This is why this person earning twice as much can be just as stressed, even more exposed. The number grew, but the gap between what comes in and what goes out never did. They didn't get richer. They got broke, more expensively. One missed paycheck from the same panic as everyone. Which raises the real question, if everyone's running, who exactly is standing still and collecting? Follow the money off your treadmill and you find the second half of the story. Every business you buy those upgrades from has a number it must hit, and it depends on you. Specifically, it depends on you never quite being satisfied with what you already own. The bigger car, the newer phone, the you deserve it purchase. None of these are accidents. Whole industries are built on your baseline resetting, on the next upgrade feeling necessary. They don't need you broke. They just need you spending everything you earn. Forever. The treadmill isn't a flaw in the system. For them, the treadmill is the system. And it works because running feels like progress. Motion is mistaken for movement forward. But here's the good news, and it's bigger than it sounds. The moment you see it, you stop being fuel. Seeing it is step one. Step two is a single number that decides everything from here. If earning more isn't the answer, what is? The share of your income you don't spend. Watch it work. A small slice of a big income against a large slice of a small income. The second person is winning every time, because that percentage is two things at once. It's what you're quietly building, and it's how many bad months you can survive without panic. Now the move that steps you off the belt. It's almost embarrassingly simple. The next time your income rises, before you adjust your life to it, take a fixed share. Send it somewhere you won't touch. Automatically. The same day it lands. Off the top first. Not what's left at month's end, because nothing is ever left. You never felt it, so you never miss it. Your life still improves. You just keep part of every raise instead of watching all of it vanish. The two versions of you were never about income. One is still running to stay in place. The other stepped off and asked the question the treadmill never lets you ask. What is actually enough? Answer that, and more money finally makes you richer. Next, the number that matters even more, your runway.